How would you feel if a big billionaire with his immense resources is trying to interfere in your country's politics? Do give us your answers in the comment section below. The latest political headlines in the West are about ex-owner Elon Musk interfering in European politics. Several European leaders have called out the Tesla owner for his supposed political meddling. So let me tell you more about how and why this whole political interference debate started. If you are an active user on the X platform and interested in politics or world affairs, there's a high percentage for you to have come across a tweet by Elon Musk. He is quite vocal about his political ideology and never shies away from expressing his opinion, which may be the reason why he has strongly advocated for absolute free speech on the X platform. He often interacts with nationalist and conservative scholars, streamers, and even political leaders. And his recent decision to interview Germany's opposition party leader Alice Weidel on X has sparked a controversy. Notably, Alice Weidel is part of AfD, or Alternative for Germany, which is right-wing leaning and a nationalist political party. European leaders of liberal or socialist parties have accused that AfD leaders' live interview on X with Musk will unfairly tilt the balance in right-wing parties' campaign. French President Emmanuel Macron criticized Musk without taking his name and accused him of intervening directly in elections. German Greens MEP Alexandra Geese claimed that X algorithmic manipulation is intentionally flooding far-right propaganda. Some European Union officials have also questioned about Musk's alleged interference activities, and this is not all. Elon's repeated comments about UK government and its PM Keir Starmer has also generated much controversy. The UK PM even responded to Musk's comments and, without naming the billionaire CEO, condemned those spreading lies and misinformation. Meanwhile, Elon Musk has not backed down with these allegations and instead attacked his detractors. In a tweet, he wrote how Starmer had called Donald Trump a racist and said that the British government should do everything to stop him, and also when he sent British Labour Party members to campaign in the US against President Trump. Elon supporters have also questioned why European leaders never condemned others allegedly interfering in their elections. An X account pointed out that Elon Musk is being targeted over highlighting issues and sharing opinions on British policies, but none bats an eye when George Soros funds political organizations in UK. Another handle wrote that European Union is considering legal action against Elon Musk, but questioned why same action wasn't taken against Soros. Swedish journalist Peter Emanuelsson wrote in a post that Bill Gates has donated over $319 million to the mainstream media, including the BBC. Why is nobody ever complaining about Bill Gates' interference? An X account commented under a post of Elon Musk and wrote, "These are all the organizations that Bill Gates invests in Germany." The account also posted a graphic with names of organizations which allegedly receive funds from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. In short, there have always been organizations and entities that have donated funds or promoted individuals linked to their ideology. A clear example is George Soros, who has doled out donations to individuals and NGOs with nefarious agendas. But at the same time, when Elon Musk is just tweeting his political opinions or interviewing right-wing leaders, suddenly everyone is crying hoarse about political interference and EU is considering legal action. Isn't this clear hypocrisy?